right buoy.
Here we go, here we go.
Special marine warning for Covey Channel, Monway County Leeward Waters, Monway County Windward Waters, Oahu Leeward Waters, Oahu Windward Waters, Parilolo Channel, until 12:45 p.m. At 10:50 a.m., strong thunderstorms were over waters around Oahu and headed toward the Covey Channel, located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles northeast of Fad Buoy LL to 22 nautical miles west of Fad Buoy V, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fad Buoy L, La Point, Fad Buoy V, Fad Buoy U, Fad Buoy T, Hailolono Harbor, Mokula Islands, and Fad Buoy HH. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Here